me nkuwa kama me akoso ase wa service am de engonka charge phone be nko no madro ase no akonfo awu ma fa mufunu se kuno se dio no ma me akoso ase wa adru sa e de ne beba ma me akoso ase wa betu sa na mo we asem no aye critical e GreaterOne TV subscribe like comment na fa share for adwentwe no to comment section fe obuo ne ani die kwan so e fa ma me after say Justice Smith e ne final verdict say ba ya chese Friday hu say ma me akoso ase wa ene ma me odobroni nyina ya kunafo a omumienu nyina ekosuo no mayom ka wade ato da lumba adaka mu na lumba asoa eye nkawa mienu ade akwa amochewa akwa ni nsemu akire no yewie bibia na chese yese o seja de ode court asem ne ba court ye frɛ no ka kire no ene yese hello ma me akoso ya hello lawyer akosi say eno o si Lawyer Kusi no say ni say na kosi yaso ni odobroni nyina be ye kura so certificate no lumba signature ni so signature ni so nti anya marriage certificate ma me kosi so boy obi so me mu ade aye me ya nyina ye so nim say Calvin any ni a otoso no enni ma me akosi ase wan chan miss chires o wonti fie ba akom last born ne pene ma me akosi ase wan na tifie na chese ni aye nyama me akosi ase wa so sum se maye papa ya anu me ho ena me na me nie me de ho saa ama asem atu me nie maye dindi free tete saa besi saa mre enkanye nyame a enkese me na poison lumba enye awrade na piepie lumba ti ko go ena ma lumba 20 September 2024 lumba ko ka asem we ma Ghana man ni wiase nyina te se nyam na ma poison na enka me kura nka me fa he agira sei na de ba ni sei ni o aware enkrata chese me ni lumba aware na de ase anim ena Lawyer Kusi ja o sa chechire ni wra ena Lawyer Kusi say mosita TV ye bi ba so e ma so we free ma me akoso abempo ma na e ma ne abusuafo ni bi ho e ma so ne ofa ya opoku ka ho e ma so ne e ma so china enti mu a waye wa adwin se wa twa ye ntoma nya abotere bi e beduru ho no na ye ntoma ne chew enti nya abotere mpam ni sese
abusuam na ye nya abusuam panyin
any say
no, he only supervised the activities of the funeral. In this case, from the evidence before of us, and I was opinion they say on a Abra ni nua ba so mpene ni ofa so mpene ni maame so mpene ni nana so mpene wo fa ase for so mpene abuja pa nti ono kwa ye
yo enti say mo appeal ana fe na mo be
yeah appeal that we are the better office here appeal immediately after the judgment and now you seek the authorization of the plaintiff. Okay, say wa. No say young kosunya na ono onti ase na nti ase chese ono be ware lumba another German law no be say nya wade 6.3 onti ase the nya appeal. We also in our opinion as lawyers believe that the judge was wrong. But as we are going to prosecute the appeal, and you see we don't want to relate the funeral.
Why are you doing all this? Your client. Why is she doing all this?
She protested against how Lumba was treating her before Lumba's death.
Oh, protested?
Yes.
Say, Lumba treat you or no?
Yes.
Okay.
More mommy and son. More to Germany, Bobra. Also, Bagana, Banuano Mabium. Or Tia Winima or Ghana. She believes that is not fair. You are not giving her the necessary attention. So, a lawyer was engaged, and the lawyer replied after the death of Lumba. The meaning who instructed that lawyer because we were on the instructor of man intro
96.3 instructor of man intro.
Obia will be any 2 minutes of a lawyer.
So,
yes,
you are dead.
Exactly. But the lawyer wrote,
say, on
behalf of Obusu opinion, say Mano Bedi Kuna Krasi Hunu Mobo, on Yeri Jano. This is what triggered the action.
That's a Kusiasewa.
Kusiasewa.
So, Uma Kusiasewa Bedi Kuna
Hunu Mobo. Because as far as they are concerned, she's not married to Lumba.
Abibi says Yana.
Yes,
26.3.
That is what they claim. But court and so on, one put to wait on that divorce because officer I was opinion to me and give enough evidence on that matter. You be saying, oh, so you when I catch yourself, I was only been a kind of say, yeah, buy as well 20 years ago.
Auntie, say under ordinance, Obi warrior. Now say, or sign fetch you warrior for what happens?
That marriage is null ab initio. It's void.
It's void. But what of they be free more baswe?
And Kolani legitimate. But our DNA, intimate legitimate. And for instance, somebody lived with another woman, gave birth to 4 children. Nigerian first wife, I got UK, over 20 years. We are in Nigeria, Ghana. Oba, after apply for letters of administration. Nigeria, no Ghana, no.
Lawson FM.
Our warren, a man named TV, apply for letters of administration. Now, Nigeria, that are now 20 years, no be TM. Said that Bimina Mia court will do say any first one now, I got 20 on any because she produced marriage certificate quite recently, not even up to 3 months. I did a similar case in court 3. That judge, court of appeal judge, or a brilliant judge, delivered himself such a judgment. They couldn't even take another step because it was obvious. Also, sir, Bapara Betrangan and Obana with 3. If you are more matrimony or honor or banity, in new wife, and the way you occupy or apply for a course that you can't. Woman, dear, they are entitled to a share of the estate. But oh dear, you can't be entitled to any part of the estate. And in the case of Akosia Odobroni, or not entitled to any part of Lumber's estate, but the mass if there is evidence that they are Lumber's children, they are all entitled to.
So what of if Lumber will? Every
Lawson FM.
Give this to Akosia Sewa, give this to Odobrunia.
Or Casa Odobrunia, you Casa my second wife, answer my wife, I am null and void. So I would describe one as Odobruni, Medofo said an usual kind of Medofo, on Casa Mejere. Look, Lumba in his lifetime made pronouncements. Or say Akosia Sewa, Mejira Mawan, Ultimate Yesa. Yes. Odua is was a Medofo. There are 2 different. The man was very conscious of his position because he knew he had married under the Iron term. He was very conscious of that too. He made a public show of Odobrun, there's no doubt about that, but he always called him Medofo. And I could just say, "Wa mejere, amatiska wa." So it makes a difference. Or testify say Lumba told them, "What were they?"
Oh, okay.
It is evident. Or say Abusuan Kushia or home. And during the day of the marriage, they asked Lumba, Unijire, or so, no, I want Germany, but I break it down beyond reconciliation. So why divorce? In their own evidence, it is broken down beyond reconciliation. Oh, okay. What does it mean? And this was an admitted fact. But because it was ordinary, we needed to produce a certificate for the judge to be bold enough to say, so there is. And apart from the certificate, there were base of evidence to show that the people were married. Even this video, and apart the trend mahu, bet me yach them. The day that they go married, yes. What does it? And there was evidence to show that there was married legally. And the judge pronounced that be on intimate, there was no marriage till the traditional one. Tell the although no Japadi any be. But yet overturning decision at Japadi will be over Sandiaba.
Yes, the money being
the man dear no. Now, sir, or no advantage when the money is 6. All things being equal, all DNA proved. The money is 6.
You have doubt.
The way you are talking DNA proved. As a lawyer, have been consistent about DNA.
We need doubt.
As you've been consistent.
Oh, we need that. All things.
Ghana for see as a Lawyer Kusi appeal you crow mu kwa ni kwan se Lawyer Kusi ha ne ho kra e wo se koto ne boas ni kwan se o ha ne ho e wo appeal bi ho se bia wo kire Ghana man ne san say yes from the genesis of everything na Lawyer Kusi no ba out no kasa no ne man krofo hu antes ni chatters ni tatters e na ma say asem ni ko wie se ntin ke be yanka appeal ya Lawyer Kusi mu be ko ikra on kana no ntum e wo ne ma bi ho na omunyo mbu bia secretly Sebeya omu ebi BMP abonten nanka ye hu ye nti Lawyer Kusi kwa apom gidi se ye nyina ya te on de also on ti ase se Mami Odobroni, the witness no James Benia who boating bedina that came no car say yes. That the lumba catch you almost sell. That Omunim said that lumba worry or Germany. But judge nin to say that lumba worry or Germany. And no Muntia Saint say Odobronia was your for crime said that lumba worry or Germany. A dear I know the lawyer now fair in us so. A judge now fair in us. Judge need now to say presenting marriage pictures no now and void. Baudo Bruni presenting the pictures. Our name former IGP His Excellency John Mahama, former president, and I don't communicate to Tandia Wadia to Ba, Mammy Across one day on YouTube. Sansa when you know Mujinas no my day, Omudum anti snitch artist at our appeal. In the appeal, no, ye name the Evacuacy. I think yes, 8th, and no Musa Court, no 8th never pass one name, so I say artist. Nina as when say the Baba since they want, ya make said that your consul genome, our court, Sabella Ban, or courtroom with genome, to the Abaco Subiano, a vivid, a valid and solid. Any of the Baba some websia, subscribe, mamma, and say 8th in a baswa. No, I tell him the yen baswa, ye genome, Sabella Ban, and no see the Baba some to subscribe before I didn't try to, I didn't try or say interview a lawyer Kusi granted, ya na. And I say and yet, and some lawyer Kusi I can't go no. Now I didn't share at comment section. Am I fair? Now fair I did. And my room so be like, couldn't subscribe and why am I not for what sham of phobia and your biashe or some for an journey.